If one of the quadrocopter rotor blades fails to rotate, this may be due to a defective engine. To replace the engine, for safety reasons, disconnect the power pack and switch off the remote control unit. Use the screwdriver supplied to unscrew the screw on the engine cage of the defective engine. Remove the engine cage from over the engine. Make sure you are installing the correct engine. Compare the colors of the connecting leads. Remove the defective engine and take it out of its holder. Insert the new engine and connect it up. Mount the engine cage and fix it firmly with the screw. To ensure the quadrocopter is working properly, reconnect the fully charged power pack and activate the remote control unit. Connect the remote control to the quadrocopter by raising and lowering the left-hand lever. The rotors are started by pressing the button in the bottom left corner of your remote control. We wish you an enjoyable flight.